because he doesn't have a stop sign. Okay. Little bit of gas. There we go, and back on the brake, because now we're going downhill. Just need a little bit of friction on the brake. There you go. When you come out of the turn, then you can put your foot back on the gas a little bit. Just feather light. So if you look way down the road, you see we have a stop sign coming up, and we're going to make a right turn. This is a four-way intersection. There's 4 stop signs here. There's your stop line. We stop just before the white line. Complete stop, perfect, and go ahead.
It's my daughter's school.
Oh yeah, St. Ben's. I have some students there. And look where you're going. Sharp right. And bring it back. There you go. And then back on the gas. Here the speed limit is 30.
Because of school?
Yeah, because of the school.
So here normally they're teenagers when their age made 16, they don't drive.
Mm-hmm, yeah. They can get their G1 license when they're 16.
How about G2?
G2, well, it takes a year or so. So most of them get it at 17. Yep. Their full. Then they wait another year to get their full G. Okay, a little bit slower here. Your speed limit. You're good. You're at 40. That's good. And then by the time you get to the 30 sign, you want to be at 30. Another school zone. You're at 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. There we go. You're at 30 now. If you go above 30, you just take your foot off the gas. And push the gas a little bit, get it back up to 30. You want to try to keep a constant rate of speed, so it doesn't go too slow or too fast. Okay, ease off the gas, you're going 35. There we go, now you're back at 30.
No.
And push the gas a little bit, get it back up to 30. And so it's constant adjustments. We're gonna go straight. Good, yep. Came to that full legal stop, and there was nobody there, so yeah, you could go. And again, it's 30 here. Ease off the gas. And now 40 begins. But we're coming up to a stop sign. We're going to go straight here. So complete stop, bump, and go. You feel that little kickback in your seat when you came to a full stop?
Yeah.
That little bump in the seat? That's evidence that you have come to a full stop. The examiners look for that evidence. So just ease off your gas pedal here. So now you're going to have this sign, municipal speed camera in use. So there's a camera around here. If you go over the speed limit, we'll get a ticket. I'll show you where the camera is. So now you're going 19 in a 40. You can bring your speed up. But that box there, the gray box, that's the speed camera. It takes pictures of your license plate sends it to the police, and the police send you a
This
ticket.
one?
Yep, this one. So you're going 24. We're not going to get a ticket.
Why the camera is not set up in the around the school? Yeah, nearby
It
the
was,
school.
but they move them around every 4 months. They move them somewhere else. Okay, so let's make actually, we're going to go straight. Feel a little bump in your seat and go. Oh, we got sand here. We're going to turn it around. We'll just go right around the pile of sand here. There is a car parked. Sharp left. Careful, careful. Right around the sand pile. I guess this is where they're dumping all the sand. They're picking up the sand off the road and dumping it here. And then they're going to pick it up with the dump trucks and bring it back to wherever they dispose of it. Or they'll use it again next year. The sand, they sand the roads. So here we're going to go straight. Go ahead. And First Street, right turn. So we have a pedestrian and a dog in the crosswalk here. You just let them get all the way across the road, checking that mirror. And it looks good, so now you can continue. Now that they're out of the way, out of the roadway. Then First Street, we're going to turn left. Left here. That's good. Some big houses here, eh?
Yeah. The new community.
Yeah. There, so we have a yield sign. And here we're going to turn right. So you just slow it down, reapply your right signal, and there's nothing coming, so you keep on going. You only stop if there's a car coming. This is a good speed. We'll go a little bit slower through here because of the parked vehicles. Maybe kids in the area, you never know. And we'll turn it around. Foot over the brake. Brake. Let the wheels spin. Yeah, on your palms, okay. You're getting used to this now, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going very good, yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
And we're going to turn left. Signal. Foot over the brake. And it is good. Wheel comes back and back on the gas. You're getting better and better control.
Thank you.
Yeah, of the vehicle, the primary controls. We're going to turn right at the yield. So you can start slowing it down. Check left. Looks good. Nobody's coming. Keep rolling so you don't have to stop. Sharp right. Looking up the road. Looking where you want to go. There we go. At the stop sign, we're going to make a right turn. So here we have a sidewalk. You just make sure you stop without blocking it. Complete stop before the sidewalk. That's good. Yes, because there's no cars coming, so you're okay. Sharp right. And look up the road. There we go. Okay. Good. So now that, you see that cyclist, the bike that went by? That's the cyclist lane. So you don't want to drive in that lane with the white line. You don't go over the white line and you don't go over the yellow line. You keep it right nice and centered, right between.
Okay. This is okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, and at the stop sign, we're going to make a right turn. Oh, look at that. There is no right turn. That's somebody's driveway. We'll go straight. Complete stop. All right.
It's kind of a post.
Yeah, so you just go around him here. Hang on, what is that? Oh, I thought it was a big rock.
It's a bag, actually.
Yeah, it was just a bag, okay. The shape, it looked like a big boulder or something, a big rock. At the stop sign, we're going to make a right turn. Checking the mirror. And complete legal stop. That's good. And off we go. Okay. .40 begins. Whoop. We're going to turn left here. And then First Street, we're going to turn right. Sharp right.
Many times.
Yeah, it's good practice in this area. A lot of turns, a lot of curves. This is a good speed, about 25 or so. So if somebody comes out of the driveway, you'll be able to stop and avoid a collision. You can ignore all of this. Just stay right here like that. That's extra space for people to turn into their driveways.
So 25?
About that. Yeah, 25 to 30 is okay. Technically it is 40, but sometimes it's a little bit too fast if you get narrow roadways or lots of parked cars or lots of driveways. You want to give yourself enough time to respond to anything, you know? A ball that might bounce into the road. Or here we're going to make a right turn. And we got a sidewalk, so just turn your wheels to the right here. Prepare for the right turn. Not too much, not too much. And you stop just before the sidewalk. You just follow the road. So right about here. Can you see the sidewalk through this little side window? Okay, that's your marker to help you stop before the sidewalk. Okay,
Okay,
signal right. There we go.